For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The remote Shetland Island joined the space race after a successful launch of a rocket from the archipelago. Scottish Launch Company has successfully launched a low-altitude rocket from the Shetland Islands for the first time. The launch has become a significant step to beginning launches from the United Kingdom. The successful launch of the rocket took place from the Petherland Peninsula near the village of North Row. The company's Skylark Nano 3 rocket, which is 2 meters long, reached a height of 6 kilometers before returning back to Earth. The CEO of the launch company Skyrora has said that the launch was a learning phase for the company. For Skyrora, this test was all about learning and training. We plan to launch from one of the 3 proposed spaceports in Scotland, and commercially launching from Shetland in the future is a potential option. The company is hoping to conduct its first space launch in 2021 using the Skylark L rocket. The company is also hoping to launch to the orbit for the first time in 2022 using their Skyrora XL rocket. The rocket is currently in production. The Skyrora XL, which is currently under production, is a 3-stage rocket. The rocket is nearly 23 meters tall and is capable of taking satellites to space weighing up to 315 kilograms. Launching rockets from the United Kingdom will enable the rockets to place satellites into the polar orbit and dispose of the rockets in the North Sea. Another milestone was achieved by the company in May when it performed a full static fire test on their Skylark L rocket. The head of the launching process said the company is very proud. The launch signifies a vital step towards Skyrora's ambitions to become the UK's go-to satellite launch provider. We are ecstatic and truly proud. This is a great success for Skylark Nano and the Skyrora team in general. Launching the Shetland is very important for us because it's a potential option for our Skyrora XL orbital commercial launch vehicle. Scotland is currently mulling over where to locate the spaceport, and Shetland is the leading option. With the latest launch, Skyrora is inching closer to its inaugural launch into the orbit.